Hey there! So, we got an interesting problem on our hands with this data validation and query library. The issue lies in the complex types that are being displayed when hovering over certain variables like G and query. These types are quite lengthy and not very user-friendly, making it difficult to understand the structure at a glance. Now, let's delve into the solution to make these type outputs more readable. In the solution provided, we need to rethink the approach by structuring the types based on the shape of values, rather than the other way around. By defining a clear interface for the shape of values and generating the object-EFS based on these values, we can simplify the type structure significantly. The key is to make the generic type expect simple values instead of complex object-EFS, resulting in a more concise and understandable representation of the types. Continuing with the solution, after implementing the changes, when we hover over G, we now see a much cleaner and simplified type output. The graph type is now based on the defined shape of values, showcasing the posts and authors as simple strings. This streamlined representation enhances readability and makes it easier to grasp the structure of the data validation and query library. In summary, by reshaping the way types are defined and focusing on the simplicity of values, we've successfully improved the readability of the type outputs in our data validation and query library. With a more user-friendly representation, navigating and understanding the types becomes a much smoother process. Well, that's all for now. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!